Your heart starts racing the moment you see a professional looking website offering high end power tools for a fraction of the usual cost. You feel like you have discovered a secret gold mine that the rest of the world missed. This is exactly how sites like Jenytool grab your attention. They use a sleek design. They showcase a massive variety of home improvement gear. Everything looks perfect on that glowing screen. However, looking professional is the easiest part of running an online business today. You can buy a beautiful template and launch a store in a single afternoon. That polished exterior does not guarantee that there is a legitimate operation standing behind it. The biggest trap is the pricing. We all love a bargain. We want to believe we can get a high quality drill or a set of wrenches for pennies on the dollar. But low prices are often a smokescreen for poor quality or non existent customer service. Think about the last time you bought something that felt surprisingly light or flimsy when it arrived. That is the risk you take here. Marketing photos are often misleading. They show the best possible version of a product under perfect lighting. Sometimes these images are even borrowed from other more reputable brands. What actually lands on your doorstep might be a completely different story. It could be a smaller version. It could be made of cheaper plastic. It could even be a totally different color. Before you click that checkout button, you need to be a bit of a detective. Don't trust the glowing testimonials on the site itself. Those are easy to fake. Look for independent reviews on third-party forums or social media. If you can't find anyone talking about them outside of their own website, that is a massive warning sign. Newer stores often lack a track record. This doesn't mean they are all bad. It just means you are taking a gamble with your hard-earned money. If you decide to move forward, always use a payment method with strong buyer protection. Never use a direct wire transfer. You want a way to claw your money back if the package never shows up or if the product is broken. A true bargain is only a bargain if it adds value to your life. Saving $50 doesn't matter if the tool breaks on the first use. Take a breath. Look past the flashy discounts. Do your homework before you hand over your credit card details. Your workshop and your bank account will thank you for being cautious. It is always better to be skeptical and safe than fast and frustrated. Keep your eyes open for those red flags that hide behind a pretty interface. Modern marketing is designed to trigger our impulse to buy immediately. They use countdown timers. They show limited stock warnings. These are psychological tricks to stop you from thinking clearly. When you feel that pressure, that is the exact moment to walk away from the computer for 5 minutes. Ask yourself if you have ever heard of this brand before today. Check for a physical address. If their About Us page sounds like it was written by a robot or is full of vague promises, trust that instinct. Real companies have a history you can trace. They have customer service lines where a human actually picks up. They don't just vanish into the digital mist once they have your credit card number. Being a smart shopper in this era means being a bit of a cynic. It means valuing your security over a cheap price tag. Every time you verify a site, you are protecting your identity and your finances. Don't let a shiny photo be the reason you lose sleep over a fraudulent charge.